Your hoof mark bites on whitest stain where sin and fear collide. The burn still sings, the air still keeps where evil could abide. And Glaisnock whispers still the tale, oh, the dale that could not hide. The night was black, the stars were cold.